Okay, let's start this dill pickle Chex mix thing off. All right, first thing we got to do, 4 cups of rice Chex go into a bowl, followed by 4 cups of corn Chex mix. Okay, then we'll do 2 cups of pretzels. And by the way, this recipe is great for kids because there's only really one spot where parents will have to help. And that's with the oven, which, by the way, should be preheating to the low temperature of 250. If your oven can't get that low, then whatever the lowest possible setting on your oven is. All right, 2 cups of Cheez-Its. My only regret, not actually buying the box of Cheez-Its, but going with the fucking store brand. And we'll need 2 cups of Goldfish. I substituted bagel chips for Goldfish because I couldn't find bagel chips. What the hell happened to bagel chips? They used to be everywhere. Now they're nowhere. Anyway, set this aside. Okay, time for the spice mix. It's 1 tablespoon of dill weed, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of coriander powder. I also added a half a cup of peanut oil, but you can also use veggie or canola. I just liked peanut. And you want to mix this up. All right, and then pour the spice mix, whatever you want to call it, into the dry ingredients, into the waiting snack treats, and do your best to mix this up. I went through several attempts. I tried the spatula, my own hands, and finally I'll show you what I came up with. Finally, I just said screw it, grabbed a big old piece of aluminum foil, sealed the bowl, and then just shook the son of a bitch. And that seemed to work the best. So, next time, when you make it, save yourself some heartache. Just grab the aluminum foil, seal the bowl, and just shake it. Okay. Want to pour the mix on a baking sheet. A full baking sheet, more than enough for this whole recipe. And then you want to pop this into that 250 degree oven we were talking about. And you want to bake for 1 hour. Alrighty, and after an hour, pour it in a serving bowl, and there you go. Dill pickle Chex mix. Done.